Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Learning Made Easy. In today's session, I am going to explain about strings in Java programming, part of Java for Selenium tutorials. Let us get into the topic. By end of this session, one can get an understanding on strings used in Java programming and various operations that can be performed on the strings. Introduction to strings in Java programming. Basically, what is a Java string? A string is used for storing the text. Usually, it is a sequence of characters, but a string is an object that represents a sequence of characters in Java. Java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. An array of characters works the same as Java string. For instance, if we consider the example of a character array C1 is assigned with the characters W, E, L, C, O, M, E, and if we consider a string variable s1 assigned with a new object string of c1 is same as string s1 is equal to welcome. Creating string objects in Java. There are two ways to create a string object. The first way is using string literal. You can create by using double quotes. Example, string s2 is equal to string hello. String objects are stored in a special memory area called string constant pool. Every time a string literal is created, JVM verifies in the string constant pool first to see if the string already exists in it. If it exists, a reference to the pool instance is returned. If not exists in the pool, a new string instance is created and it is placed in the pool. Example, if we consider the variable string variables s3 is assigned with a value hello for the first time, and if we assign the same value hello to the string variable s4 for the second time, it doesn't create a new instance. We see here, whenever s3 is assigned with the value hello, it is placed in the string constant pool. Then whenever if we assign the same value hello to the string variable s4, it checks in the string constant pool. Then if it has the same value as then it doesn't create a new instance. That is, only one object is created here. For the first time, JVM will not find any string object with value hello in the string constant pool, hence creates a new object. For the next time, it finds a string with value hello in the pool, hence it doesn't create a new object and returns the reference to the same instance. The second way is using new keyword. In this method, the JVM creates a new string object in normal heap memory. Its now literal hello is placed in the string constant pool. Also, the variable s5 will refer to the object in a heap, which is in non-pool area. Example, we consider a string variable s5 assigned with a new object string hello. Here it creates two objects and one reference variable. What are the different string methods to perform string operations in Java? I would like to cover few string methods to perform the string operations in this context. A string is basically an object that contains methods to perform different operations on the strings. They are string length using length method. The length of the string can be found using the length method. We consider an example here. String variable t1 is assigned a value welcome to Java strings. I am outputting on the screen the length of it using length method. The second methods I have considered are two uppercase and two lowercase methods. These are used to convert from lowercase to uppercase and vice versa. Here, for instance, if we consider in the example, I have assigned a string welcome to Java for a string variable t2. The two uppercase method converts all capitals welcome to Java. Two lowercase method converts to all small letters welcome to Java. The third one is finding a character in a string using index of method. That is, this method returns the index of position of the first occurrence of a specified text in a string including white spaces. That is, if we consider example here, the string t3 variable assigned with please find where find present is the string that is assigned here. Here it is finding the position of find string in the assigned string. That is, it outputs 7 here. If we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, including 7. So it starts with a 0 actually, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So F starts with 7th position. The last one is string concatenation using plus operator as well as concat method. The plus operator is used between the strings to combine two strings. Here the plus operator is called as concatenation. Here I consider two variables fname and lname assigned with Sri and Rama. Here I am using the plus concatenation symbols followed by a space in the middle. Here this outputs Sri space Rama. Alternatively, I can also use concat method to combine these two strings. Here, to combine here, I am outputting on the screen fname.concat method of lname. This prints Sri Rama. Let us understand this Java strings concept using a practical demo in an Eclipse IDE. I am opening my Eclipse IDE. Here I have created a class Java string demo. Here I considered a string variable st1 assigned a string hello and a character array for welcome, and here I considered string2 variable and I have created a new object and string of ch here. This statement will convert the character array to string. I have created another variable st3 and I created a new object for the string and assigned the value Java strings. That is, here it creates a Java string by using new keyword here. And I am outputting all the variables st1, st2 and st3. And this is the code for all the different Java string methods to perform different operations like finding the length of the string, welcome to Java strings, converting to uppercase and converting to lowercase, and outputting the index of a assigned string. Similarly, I have covered this example Sri Rama using plus symbol and using concat method. So that's all. I am running this. If you see here, I'm running this code. You can see the code that is displayed is the result and output that is displayed. These are some useful URL links which I will also provide you in the description of the video. That's all for today. Happy learning. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.